plot a graph of de Broglie wavelength associated with a proton versus its momentum. Okay. Here the de Broglie, that is the matter is associated with the dual nature. Matter is associated with the dual nature. That is a wave and its particle. Its particle. This wavelength is what we call as the de Broglie wavelength. And this is given by lambda is equal to h divided by p. Okay, where h is the constant, there is Planck constant, its value becomes 6.6 to the power of minus 34 joules a second. Okay, if you observe the lambda and the particle here, the lambda that is inversely proportional to the particle, then the graph is that is proton versus momentum, it will come like this. This is the lambda, it is in the y-axis, and p it is in the x-axis, and if anyone will be varying, then automatically it is the hyperbolic curve. This is like this. That means if the particle will be increases, then the value will be decreases because it is inversely proportional.